Well, we're back again with another video for you here. And basically in the last video, we covered the HEROES Act, the new proposal that Nancy Pelosi, leader of the House Democrats, and the Democrats have proposed that new bill called the HEROES Act. So we had already covered that. We will also be doing a lot of these stimulus check updates too also as well. So if you haven't already, definitely subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel. Give this video a thumbs up so that way it helps with YouTube algorithms and YouTube can rank this video too also as well. So like I said, last video, however, we covered the HEROES Act. This is the new bill that was proposed by Nancy Pelosi and the Democrats. If you haven't already watched that video, I'll put a link at the end of this video so that way you can click on it and you can watch it too also as well. It proposes a new $1,200 stimulus checks and extended unemployment till January. Also as well, $13 an hour in hazard pay for essential workers, which I found very interesting. And also it alludes to free rent and mortgage, you know, for renters and more people who pay mortgages too also as well. So I found it was a very interesting bill. However, it is 1,800 pages. So we probably will not be able to cover all of that bill in this video, but we will try to see what we can do about breaking down that bill into, you know, several videos explaining it too also as well. So we definitely, it has a good chance of passing through the House. However, a few Republicans have voiced their opinions against the bill, including Mitch McConnell too also as well. So this bill, my own senator of my state, Mr. Thune, South Dakota, a Republican senator, he said that this bill would never pass the Senate. And, you know, it's sad to see how our own senators are not, you know, representing us or representing our best interests, you know. And I wrote an email to my senator and told him, hey, you know, if you're not going to represent me and my best interests, then me and, you know, whoever votes for you, we're just going to vote for another senator. We're not even going to bother voting for you in November because we see that, you know, before when you guys were talking about, you know, giving money to big multi-billion-dollar corporations, you're all for it, sending trillions of dollars over there. Not one of you guys had even talked about or mentioned how much this would cost and, oh, we're spending a lot of money. You guys never mentioned that. But now when it comes to helping out me and the people who voted for you, now you want to talk about, oh, you know, spending is a concern and the debt is high and this and that. You know, you guys never even thought about that before when you were helping out and bailing out the big corporations, you know. So now it just comes down to this. We're just going to have to vote these senators out. You need, you know, if you're watching this video, please find out who your senator is, you know, and let your senator know that we need to put more money into the pockets of Americans too also as well. So this is the situation that we're dealing with right now. It is a horrible situation to be going through right now. 30 million Americans have filed for unemployment insurance, and each week, you know, since mid-March. So that was the report about 2 weeks ago. So now the report is like saying that 33 million people have actually filed for unemployment, and that number will be higher next week too also as well. 84% of Americans want another stimulus check, according to a new survey we had found in MSN Money. And as you see here, 33 million, there's the number, 33 million people have filed for unemployment since the virus had hit, according to ABC News. So this is a situation where, with so many people out of work right now, we can't afford to be talking about how much this is going to cost to pass this bill. And, you know, it's not going to hurt the economy by spending the money to pass this bill, because the Americans, people, will, you know, spend this money back into the economy too also as well. So this is something that, you know, these senators really need to rethink their priorities, especially the Republican senators. 43% of small businesses say that they'll be forced to close down permanently if they don't get, you know, that additional help that they need. In that bill, the HEROES Act, it also provides more money to the PPP program so that these small businesses can keep their people employed also as well. So, you know, this is something that, you know, we all need. The small businesses need it. You know, the people need it. The house owners need it. Renters, people who rent apartments, need it. You know, and this bill also provides 15% more in food stamps each month. So whatever food stamp benefit a person was receiving before, they would just simply receive 15% more in food stamps too also as well. Another study by SimplyWise had found that 63% of Americans will need another stimulus check in 3 months. So from the time that article came out till now, that means that these people will need another stimulus check within probably 2.5 months or so. So this is what we're looking at right now. This is what we're dealing with as a nation, as a people. So, I mean, hopefully the Congress will be able to pass something. You know, that's what we're hoping for, that the Republicans and the Democrats will be able to get together and come to some type of agreement. I know there are things inside the HEROES Act that the Republicans will not agree to, you know, and a lot of the Republicans, when they made these statements against the HEROES Act, some of them, actually I won't say a lot of them, but some of them did not even look at the bill first. They just knew it was a bill from Democrats and automatically, you know, said no way this is going to happen, and just, you know, kind of put up a wall between them and the bill. So, I mean, that's quite normal. It happens a lot, you know, between Republicans and Democrats too also as well. But hopefully they can get it together there at Washington and get it all figured out, get it all worked out for our best interests too also as well. So definitely, if you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, because we will be making more of these updates for stimulus check updates, stimulus packages, and letting you guys know what's going on, you know, currently with your second stimulus check. And my thoughts are that we will see another stimulus check. You know, Republicans are already coming up with their ideas. Mitch McConnell came up with an idea to protect businesses from liability. Donald Trump, he wants payroll tax cuts. So, you know, and some of the other Republicans have came up with other ideas like Patriot Pay. That was from Mitt Romney, another senator. I believe he was governor of Massachusetts before. And another senator, too, also as well. Another Republican senator came up with an idea also as well. It's kind of similar to payroll tax cuts. So I guess we'll have to see how it goes. And, you know, hopefully we'll make some progress here towards getting a second stimulus check, a second stimulus package pass through the House and the Senate, but I will be keeping you guys up to date on what's going on. So definitely subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment below. Let me know, have you received your stimulus check yet? Are you on SSI, SSDI, or what is your situation? Did you file taxes for 2018 and 2019? Are you having problems locating your stimulus check, or have you found an update on when you will be getting your stimulus check also as well? And if you need help with that, definitely let me know inside of the comments. And again, give this video a like, so that way we can get this video up in the rankings and put it in front of more people too also as well. So from all of us here at the How to Get an 800 Credit Score LLC family, stay safe, be blessed, and we'll see you guys in the next one. But bye for now. And Baptiste, and on this channel we talk about ways to increase your credit score, build credit, and get approved for the lowest payments on mortgages and lines of credit, travel the world for free, earn extra money with cash back. And if that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video as we make them.